Yo, dude. Another busy week. Another busy week at the factory, bro. We're moving up. We're still moving up. But we're just looking at Monday. I haven't been watching the charts. I have not been watching the charts again. Look at that gap right there. Man. So obviously they popped through the high. uh, let's pop down to the 1 hour. Let's cannibalize these. Previous day high, we already just smacked that already. Your Honor, respectfully. Um, Overnight low. Technically down here. I want to mark this out though. Let's see if we break through that. If so, we'll kind of reconsider this. um, let's just keep this. It's just like a kind of a key area ish. What's happening? What else? What else? What else? Overnight high, overnight low. Yeah, let's just see, dude, because this could. Oh, we're already at. Uh-oh. You didn't see that. All right, got it. You didn't see that shit. Okay. In terms of supply, let's look at this as a supply. Demand. Haha. Our Yeah, that feels pretty good. So we popped through this. It is 7:30. Let's move up a little bit. Okay. So pre-market looks like we're kind of finding a base up here, boys. That looks like a POC. Yeah, there's a new POC up here. So, if we can hold that, we built a little bit of volume up here. We're back at that area at the open. So if we can hold that and hold higher, I don't, why wouldn't we just keep building higher? And partly I say that because I know, I mean, this thing was just building all day. With all these building, or all night, I guess. Yeah, let's run it, dude. Um, all I've heard online is just like gold is going crazy, you know, yada 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 yada. I'm gonna have to redo this. So I think things have continued up, but let's see where we can get in here. Let's reload this too. In the 4 hour right now. Let's go. Sorry, guys. Okay, Monday. Okay. Okay, the stage is set. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if this thing pops out of here. It did not pop out of there. Okay. Interesting stuff. And we're not at a place where I want to even think about going long yet till we get down here. Okay, really sideways. Really sideways. Just nothing going on for the first hour. Jesus, man. Let's see something happen here. Okay, it's breaking lower. This is our 1 hour. Pardon me, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. What can I do for you? What can I do for you, sir? I already fed you. I cleaned your poop. Um, I wonder if this is going to pop up. Be nice to see a little more like movement upwards from this. I'm not going to get too excited. Yeah, that's yeah. It's the distribution like for the day. I don't need that. Really big Gaussian curve, right? Like beautiful. I mean, look at that, dude. It's like titillating, you know? Respectful. No, relatively just like look at how small the volume is down here. Um, so we haven't really, beyond this low, we just have not built a lot of volume. Just popped out of this low volume area from yesterday's POC. Looks like there's still that distribution up there. Let's see if we get up there again today or not. I don't know. The open is technically bearish right now, but since open we've been bearish. I haven't been bearish. The market has been bearish. Just waiting for something to happen, which let's see. Starting to break some highs. Broke through that. POC again. Let's. I don't know. I was about to say let's see if we can pop up here, but there's not enough. It's all grindy, you know. This would have technically worked out if you longed here, but I don't like that. I don't like that, man. Yeah, let's just get a little motion in here, dude. That's what I'm talking about. What do we think? We're gonna break through here. I'm not gonna go short. This is a 1 minute. It's just a 1 minute supply zone. It's kind of interesting to see this happen. It was a big IB. So maybe it might come up here and tap the IB top. See if this really turns into a range day or what. Okay, we're making a little base right here. This was overnight high, previous day high. There's a lot of distribution right here. This was, yeah, okay, so, okay, maybe we could take a little long. Let's see what happens here. Doesn't look good. No, doesn't look good for longs. Can we break this high? You guys want to break this high? Can we break out of this little range right here? I mean, look at that, dude. It's just caterpillar. This is caterpillar movement. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't see one. I mean, there were entries that would have worked out, but I haven't seen one entry that I like. Yeah, with some conviction. So we busted out of that. We correct the previous day high or overnight high or open IBA, whatever, dude. We fucking broke the line. Okay. Initial balance. Okay. Get a little motion. Hang on. Hold on. Hold on. Do I want to get involved right here? Let's see what this looks like. Thanks, Ken. Candle's encouraging, but look how easily that got reversed. I mean, you want better structure around it. What do we think here, boys? What do we think here? Too high to long? Can we take it back up to the overnight high? This is a small. I'm just gonna take. Let's try this out. This is a tiny. I mean, 7 whatever points this is. Just try this in. All right. What is that? $14. There we go, and that's where we needed to break out of here. Ooh. I don't love this zone that we're bouncing out of right now, but new all-time high, obviously. It would have been nice if it kind of, if it, I don't know. This isn't a, how much is it a line? How much is it a zone? Let's just sit back a little bit. Watch what happens. It's almost 3 o'clock. I got my $20. What is that? I can't even think. $140. It's not bad, dude. It's not nothing. Yeah, pushing. Yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. This just looks awfully similar. A little bounce around like POC, VWAP, and then turn it into now it's 4 o'clock. Yeah, dude. Weird day, man. Too many wicks for me. Too much grinding. Just, I mean, what is this? The first hour of the day couldn't couldn't make a great move. Couldn't break through a really key level. Broke through some overnight lows, but those are crazy, man. And then it didn't. It just stayed above this line, but then it couldn't like. It didn't easily reverse this. It did pop up a little bit here, but that took some time, man. That took some grinding. Um, yeah, dude. All right, we'll be back for Tuesday. We have, yeah, I mean, we still haven't broken that. Obviously, we're not even close, but yeah. All right.